Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You must have heard that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the House of Representatives of the Federal Republic of Nigeria have endorsed the illegal state of emergency that was imposed on River State, in which the Governor Simi Fubara and the Deputy Governor, Professor Ngozi Odu, and the River State House of Assembly was suspended by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Most lawyers in Nigeria have concluded that what Tinubu did was an illegality. Yet, the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the House of Representatives of the Federal Republic of Nigeria endorsed it. But in the midst of that endorsement emerged those who can call the heroes of democracy, those who stood up to be counted, those who said that they cannot be that part of that shenanigan, those who feel that they will not endorse illegality, those who stand for democracy. These are people you can call the heroes of our democracy, the heroes of Nigeria. These people stood their ground that they did not support the illegality that happened in River State. And instead of being part of it, when they saw that the Senate leadership and the House leadership was bent on going ahead to endorse what is patently clear was an illegality, they walked out. These senators that walked out, they deserve our commendation, they deserve our respect. And kudos to them. And Eni Naya Baribe, Senator Eni Naya Baribe, is a hero of democracy. He represented his people well, he represented Nigeria well, and he defended the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria by staging a walkout. He walked out before this Senate President could announce that they have endorsed that statement. He walked out. He was not alone. He was not alone. Senator Siriaki Dixon, former governor of Bayelsa State, also walked out. He is a hero of democracy. The former governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Bello Masari, Senator Aminu Tambawa, former governor of Sokoto State. He is a hero of democracy. He walked out in protest of what was done. These people and others that joined them are indeed the heroes of democracy. They will be remembered for standing up against despotism, for standing up and telling truth to power, and standing up to defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because the right thing must be done at all times, irrespective of political interest. Fortunately, majority went ahead with the endorsement of the illegality, which most people, as I said, most lawyers have agreed that it was wrong. And the Supreme Court is clear on it. When the Supreme Court ruled in 2006, in the case of the removal of Governor Darie and the Plateau State House of Assembly in 2004, when the Supreme Court ruled on it in 2006, the Supreme Court was categorical that it was an illegality, that what happened in Plateau State was an illegality, that President Obasanjo then had no powers to remove elected governor or elected House of Assembly members. But Obasanjo, you can pardon him because it was a novelty. We are just returning back to democracy in 1999, and he faced an emergency. In 2004, there were killings between Muslims and Christians in Jos Plateau State. Over 2,000 people were killed. Obasanjo has to do something. So he overreached his power, which is Supreme Court identified. But at least it was a difficult situation. That was not the situation with Rivers State. Rivers State, not even one person had been killed as a result of this crisis. Yet, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu imposed state of emergency and removed the state governor and removed the deputy and then removed the state house assembly. It was an illegality which was very clearly stated by the Supreme Court in the 2006 judgment of Plateau State state of emergency. And that was why in 2013, when Goodluck Jonathan imposed state of emergency in Adamawa, in Yobe, and then Borno State, he did not tamper with the governor or state house of assembly or deputy governors. He allowed them to stay in place while the state of emergency lasted. All in all, we have to give credit to Engineer Bariben, to Siriake Dixon, and to Aminu Bello Tambawa, former governor of Sokoto State, for standing up against dictatorship and declaring, indeed, that they are defending the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and that they will not endorse illegal coup that took place in Rivers State. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you. What do you think about these heroes of democracy? What do you think? What have you to say about them for standing out to be different? What do you have to say? Whatever commendation you have for them, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.